In this video, I am going to show you how to see who viewed your TikTok profile on iPhone. So first of all, open up your TikTok application. On your TikTok application, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here, you have to tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you have to tap on Privacy. On Privacy, you have to scroll down towards the end and tap on Viewers. From here, you have to make sure that this option is enabled and is working. After that, you have to come back to your TikTok application profile page. Now over here, you have to tap on Inbox, which is present right beside your profile. In Inbox, you have to tap on Activity. So now over here in Activity, you will be able to see who viewed your TikTok profile on iPhone. As right now, no one has viewed my profile in the last week, so I can't see anyone. But in your case, if someone has actually viewed your profile within the last few days, then you will be able to see who viewed your account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.